In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the default font in Outlook, so every email you compose uses your preferred text style automatically. This is perfect if you want consistency across all your messages, whether you prefer a professional look or something more creative. Instead of manually changing fonts every single time, you can set it once and forget it. This works in the new Outlook and saves you time with every email you send. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the Settings button. Click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. Once the Settings panel opens, look for the Mail section on the left sidebar. Click on Mail to expand the mail-related settings. Now, within the Mail settings, find and click on Compose and Reply. This is where you control how your emails look when you write them. In the Compose and Reply section, scroll down until you see Message Format. This is the area where you can customize your default font settings. Under Message Format, you'll notice a drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down to reveal the font customization options. Here, you can choose your preferred font from the list. Pick whichever font style suits your needs, whether it's Arial, Calibri, Times New Roman, or any other available option. Next, select your preferred style. You can choose between regular, bold, italic, or bold italic, depending on how you want your text to appear by default. After that, choose your preferred size. You can select from various font sizes to make your emails easier to read or more compact. Once you've made all your selections for font, style, and size, look for the Save button at the bottom of the Settings panel. Click Save to apply your changes, and that's it. Your default font is now set in Outlook. Every new email you compose and every reply or forward you send will automatically use the font, style, and size you just configured. No more manual adjustments needed. If this video helped you customize your Outlook experience, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more quick tutorials.